If you cannot stand the heat, just leave my kitchen. Hi guys, I hope you're all doing great. Thank you all for coming back and you're all warmly welcome. Greetings to you all, and I believe today's recipe you're going to love it and be inspired by it, and I'm sure you're going to try it as well. It's one of my all-time favorite cuisine, and I'm happy to share with you how I make it. Okay, so without much ado, let's get to the kitchen and let's begin to make this beautiful, sumptuous, aromatic prawns and egg fried rice. I eat with my eyes, and I'm sure you do too. So I incorporated all the simple, colorful ingredients that will make this fried rice appetizing, and also to bring all the umami taste that we need in our special cuisine. Let's get started. Let me first introduce you to some of my amazing ingredients. I have my jasmine rice, my homemade salted beef, smells so good and tastes good as well, and my olive oil. We're going to pour some of this olive oil in the saucepan and start to make our fried rice, okay? I'm putting one of the salted beef in the oil to release its flavor and also some salt in the oil. You keep stirring it in order not to get burned. You're going for a brown color, okay? Smells so good. It's now time to put in our washed rice. Wow. Asian papa. Wow. Beef angamopani. Smells so good. I'm adding some more rice because I think I will need more fried rice. I'm going to eat more because thinking about the ingredients alone, I think I need more rice to make more fried rice, okay? Because I'll leave some for tomorrow morning for breakfast. I'm adding a little bit of water and also mix it well. Make sure that, yeah, it's mixed up from the bottom to the top. Yes, and check the water level, and if it's okay, I'll cover it up. Leave it for some minutes for it to cook. It's done. We are back again, and now let's check it up. Let's check it out. I love the aroma. I love the smell. And let me check the green. Is it hard or soft? So far, it's okay. The rice is well cooked and is so ready. So now we need to put some in this white bowl for it to cool down. If you are new on my channel, you are warmly welcome, okay? But I need you to click on the red subscribe button, click on the bell button as well, and join this beautiful family. And I'm sure you will never ever regret it, okay? You will never ever regret joining this beautiful family. So now, guys, I have to release some. It's now time for us to work on our prawns. And guys, these are the prawns. I'm going to take off the head, peel off the skin, take the legs and everything off, and then we will start making our fried rice, okay? It's all set and ready, and I'm adding my aromatic seasonings. The first one is my garlic and ginger paste. The second one is my onion powder, and now I'm spraying some black pepper on it. Wow, it smells so good. I'm adding some salt to taste, and now it's time to combine it beautifully. It smells so good. I love the ginger smell, the aroma, flavor is so on point. Wow. So we're going to leave it for it to marinate for 5 to 10 minutes. Okay. You can do so by putting it in the fridge or leave it like this in the kitchen. It's now time to chop up all our beautiful and colorful vegetables. That's my spring onion. Yes, and I'm going to use it separately. I'll use the green part separately from the white part. Okay, so we are done with it, and we're going to chop up our onion. You can as well use the shallot if that's available to you. Indeed, I am really having fun in my kitchen. It's all done. So I'm now adding more veggies, and these are obviously frozen vegetables. So I'm going to pour some in the bowl, and then I'll rinse it with warm water to just clear off all the ice, and then to make it look fresh and beautiful again. We are back, and these are my amazing ingredients: my mixed veg, my spring onions, Maggi tablet, white onion, my eggs, my Maggi soy sauce, my black pepper, my dark soy sauce, and my ginger and garlic paste. Guys, let's continue with our cooking. I'm going to crack all the egg. I'm using 6 eggs, so you can use less or even more. Now that I'm done, I'm drizzling some black pepper on it and now salt to taste. I'm going to mix it together properly to combine all of it. I'm sure you are enjoying this video so far, so please give me a big thumbs up. I want this video to at least get 100 likes. Okay, so now it's time for us to fry our eggs. I'm not going to straight away fry the rice and everything like we commonly do. I'm going to first fry the egg separately. Thanks Nanaba for this great idea. I love it and my kids love it as well. So I want the eggs to be fluffy and big. Make it separately, and then we will put the egg back in the rice later on. Just keep watching for this great idea, and I'm sure you'll be inspired to try this recipe moving forward. Look at that. It's so golden and it's so flavorful. I love the smell of the spring onion and also the black pepper. Wow, this egg literally melts in the mouth straight away. Wow. We are dividing the eggs so that it will be easier for us to break them apart when they are back on the rice. I love the aroma, guys. It's done. It's set aside, and now it's time for us to fry our rice. First, I'm going to put in my aromatic prawns. It smells so good. Good, it smells so good. Make sure to stir it to avoid it being burned. We're going for golden brown color, so let's keep stirring. Turn it over and over till we achieve the color we are looking for. We are almost done, and the aroma is so magical. Smells so good. It's so on top-notch aroma, flavorful, and I can't wait to finish this whole cuisine. Yes, we are done. I'm going for this color, and that is it. We are all done with the prawns. We're going to set it aside like the egg, and then we come back and fry the rice. Go nowhere, keep watching till the end, and I'm so sure you'll be inspired to try this recipe this Christmas season. It's so amazing, and your friends and families will love it. Look at the color. It's so rich, so golden brown, and smells aromatic. It's time to fry the rice, okay? So I'll pour in some oil. This is the part that you need to pay attention. Better still, listen carefully or get yourself a notebook and jot all the ingredients down, okay? I'm now adding my onions. I'm as well going to add the white part of the spring onion and then give it a good stir. Go nowhere because we are almost done. Smells so good already. I love it. I love it. I'm adding my ginger and garlic paste. I love it big, so I've added some more. And now I'm adding my Maggi tablet. You can use any season of your choice or spice of your choice, guys. Or you can as well follow this recipe. It was so amazing. I've added my Chinese mixed herbs. And now I'm adding some black pepper. I love me black pepper. Again, give it a good stir to combine it properly. Wow, I love the aroma. It smells so good. I've added my dark soy sauce at this stage. And guys, I wish you were here to smell the aromatics in my kitchen. It's so magical. Wow. Smells good already. I can't believe it. The result, as I said, is amazing. I'm adding the rice, and I love the rice. I love how it looks. It's so non-stick and it smells good also. Again, keep stirring to combine properly. Mmm, I love it. The smell, aroma. I always say that because it's the truth. Aroma, the smell is always on top. I've added more of the dark soy sauce because I want it a bit colorful than this. I want the brown to be rich and to be popping out like that. And it's, yeah, this is good. This is good. And now I'm adding my veggies, which includes the green peas, the sweet corn, carrots, green beans. Wow. Look how colorful it looks. Look how colorful the rice looks. It doesn't only look colorful, it smells good as well. And now I'm adding the eggs. The egg is back. This is so mouth watering. And now I'm going to break the eggs apart like this. Just break them apart to any shape or form you want it, any size you want. Okay, I want it big and chunky, so this is what I'm going for. Lovely people, we are 90% done, and right now, as I'm speaking, my face is beaming with smiles because after the hard day work, I've got to reward myself with this amazing cuisine. I'm sure you are inspired. I'm now adding my beautiful aromatic prawns, and the flavor is so good. Guys, thank you all for watching. I hope you are inspired. Keep on stirring and mix it well. Like, do it properly, combine everything, let it spread everywhere. Look at that. It's so rich, so colorful, and it's so inviting. Thank you all for watching, and I hope you try this recipe for your friends and families this coming Christmas season, and I'm so sure they will love it too. Oh, I'm so in love. Look at that. So attractive. The taste, aroma, everything is so on point. I'll give it 1000% if there is something like that. I'm so impressed, and it's time for tasting. Guys, where are your plates? Where are your plates? I'll give you my house number. When you get to my house, just ring the bell and I'll be there. I will just bring you in for us to enjoy together. All right. Oh, I know, it's so inviting, but don't worry. Just get yourself all these ingredients and make yourself some, okay? We are all done and it's time for us to serve ourselves. Chop time! Yes, friend! Which means you are all invited, okay? So bring your plates along and let's serve ourselves. I want to say a big thank you to all my subscribers for bringing me this far. I really do appreciate you all. Until I see you again in my next video, stay blessed and don't forget to give me a big thumbs up. Bye y'all. Be good. Mwah.